monstera earrings. Today we are going to show you how to wipe down a plant. We've got, or maybe not, we've got a lemon that Rose does not want to let go of. Would you like to taste some lemon? Let's Mommy cut it open for you.
Oh.
Okay, stand here. Let's cut it open. We need some lemon juice for some removal of hard stains. If you guys want to see Rose's first taste of lemon, here we go. Come sit here. Right, there you go. What do you think, little girl? Huh? Is that nice? Hey? Oh. Yeah, it's a lemon. So what I'm going to do is I've got about 800 ml of water here. And I'm going to open this up. I usually have lemon juice, but I don't have today. So we just pick these straight off the tree. Rose loves picking off straight off the tree. She loves water, so she should enjoy this exercise. But she might also not. Okay, so I'm squeezing half a lemon in, guys. I would say about 1/5 of a cup. 5 tablespoons. I bring it a bit like Jamie Oliver. I don't think it makes much of a difference, except if you're busy wiping down caletheas. Okay, so I've got a bit of lemon juice in there. I've also got some white vinegar. I'm going to pour that in. Rose is still testing the lemon, seeing if it's okay for the plants. Rose, you're going to help me wipe down?
Oh.
Okay. O means yes. Right, so we close this. I've got one nice water bottle that Rose always drinks out of, if you've seen one of our previous videos. Shake, 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 shake. Do you want to shake?
Oh.
Okay, shake. No? Okay, now look here. Right. We are spraying hard, people. Okay, you want to get to all these plants. Think about it in the way that mostly these guys are in tropical rain jungles, rainforests, and so they're constantly getting their leaves raked, constantly getting their leaves cleaned. Then they come into our houses and they just collect dust. That's all they do if you don't wipe them down. This mixture should really get the hard watermarks off. Tap water does that too. Yeah, do you want this one? You want to spray? You want to spray, Mom? Should Mommy spray you?
Oh.
Oh, should Mommy spray you?
Oh.
Oh. You want to spray the lemon? Okay, drink. Okay, so now that we've done that, you just take a cloth and you wipe. One of the nicer ways to do this is to put your plant under a shower. Do you want to wipe, Rose? Wipe the leaves. Wipe the leaves. Yeah, wipe the leaves for me, please. Okay, that's a little bit more furious than I expected. Okay, we've gone back to the lemon.
Oh.
Oh. So that's all it is, folks. There's no massive trick to it. If you do have a shower and you don't have lots of plants, maybe put them underneath the shower for a few minutes. Nice 10-minute shower. Although this conserves water a bit better. Okay, from us lemon-loving girls, we hope you have a good day. Bye!